Chicken popsicles. $250 of boiled and shredded chicken. 2 boiled potatoes. 1 chopped onion, handful of chopped coriander, leaves and 1 chopped green chili. 1 egg. 1 cup of cornflakes. Half cup of maida. Salt as per taste. 1 tsp of oregano. 1 tsp of red chili flakes. 1 tsp of chaat masala. 1 tsp of black pepper powder. Grate boiled potatoes in a mixing bowl. Add black pepper powder. Add oregano and red chili flakes. Add salt. Add chopped green chili, coriander leaves and onion. Add chaat masala. Add Maggi masala. Add boiled and shredded chicken. Mix all ingredients nicely. Chicken mixture is ready. Take ice cream stick and give popsicle shape. Chicken popsicles are ready. In a bowl, add maida. Add red chili flakes and oregano. Add egg. Mix them nicely. Add little water and make slurry. Dip chicken popsicle in maida and egg slurry. Transfer cornflakes in a plate and break. Coat chicken popsicle nicely with cornflakes. Chicken popsicles are ready for frying. Fry them on medium heated oil. Fry until they are golden and crisp. Chicken popsicles are fried well. Remove them in a plate. Crispy chicken popsicles are done. Tasty and crispy chicken popsicles are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Explore and Cook. Thanks for watching.